Hi, in this video, you will review Nature and Outdoors vocabulary. You can find this part in your Speak Out Pre-Intermediate Coursebook, Unit 9.1 and 9.2. It could be better to watch this video after studying related parts in your book first. At the end of this lesson, you'll have understood and used some certain vocabulary related to nature and outdoors. We will start the presentation with a demonstration of vocabulary in 9.1. Then we will do some practice. After that, we will focus on vocabulary in 9.2. And finally, you will find some suggestions for further study on the subject. Now stop the video for 2 minutes and try to make a list of places you can see in these pictures. Well, you can see a mountain range, a lake, a rainforest, an ocean, a river, a waterfall, and a desert. Let's focus on these words one by one. Mountain range. Listen and repeat. Mountain range. Is there a single mountain in a mountain range? The answer is no, because a mountain range means a group of mountains. For example, Tehran is surrounded by mountain ranges. Second word is lake. Listen and repeat. Lake. Can you swim in a lake? The answer is yes, because a lake is a large area of water surrounded by land. For example, the hotel is in a lovely location overlooking the lake. Third word is rainforest. Listen and repeat. Rainforest. Is a rainforest a dry place? The answer is no, because a rainforest means a forest in a tropical area that receives a lot of rain. For example, destruction of the rainforests is contributing to global warming. Ocean. Listen and repeat. Ocean. Is an ocean bigger than the sea? The answer is yes. An ocean means a very large area of sea. For example, these mysterious creatures live at the bottom of the ocean. River. Listen and repeat. River. Can you sail on a river? The answer is yes. A river means a natural flow of water in a long line into the sea. For example, there were several boats on the river. Waterfall. Listen and repeat. Waterfall. Do waterfalls drop from height? The answer is yes. A waterfall means water dropping from a higher to a lower point. For example, can you feel the spray from the waterfall? Desert. Listen and repeat. Desert. Are deserts wet places? The answer is no. A desert means an area often covered with sand of rocks where there is very little rain. For example, this area of the country is mostly desert. Now it's time for practice. Stop the video for 5 minutes and fill in the blanks with the correct words. Let's check your answers now. Different fish species live under the still water of this lake. The famous climber got lost in a high mountain range in Asia. The ship sank slowly to the depths of the ocean. Last year, we organized a cruise along the Nile River. When you live in the desert, water becomes the most important resource. We couldn't hear each other over the thunder of the waterfall in Iguazu. The world's largest tropical rainforest is near the Amazon River. In this part of the video, we will continue with the vocabulary in part 9.2. Talk about the following questions for a minute. You can stop the video to answer each question. While answering the questions, be careful about the words in red. Which one do you prefer? Living in a rural area or living in an urban area? Which one do you enjoy doing on your holiday? Visiting natural beauties or visiting wildlife centers? Which one do you prefer when you go to a new city? Visiting national parks, visiting museums? Which one would you like to see most? A desert, a tropical rainforest? Which one would you like to have in your hotel room? A lake scenery, a mountain scenery? Which one are you more interested in when you visit a new place? Geographical features, culture and people. If you want to study more, you can go to your supplementary pack, page 92, Vocabulary Revision, Exercise A, and page 93, Unit Test 9, Exercise 4. Or you can go to my English Lab Speak Out Pre-Intermediate, Unit 9.1, Nature, and 9.2, The Outdoors. If you want to write or speak about the subject, you can describe your favorite type of holiday. Thanks for listening.